This is a quick guide on how to select font in HX Manager. HX Manager allows users to select fonts to be sent to HX Nitro. It can select up to a maximum of 6 fonts at the same time. Launch HX Manager. Proceed to Setting page. In the Setting page, you will see the font list container. Click the Edit button to start selecting the font. First, select the language of the desired font. ZH for China, AR_FA for Arabic and Farsi, DE for German, EL for Greek, and EN for English. The list of fonts available in the selected language will display. Highlight the font and click on the plus sign to add. To remove, highlight the font and click on the minus sign. Click Submit to apply changes. After submitting, wait for 40 seconds and restart the printer. Once restarted, proceed to Font List and confirm the changes. For more information, please contact technical@maplejet.com.